We got Jalilo. We got Idriso. And we got Samio. Woo! And we got Jalila cooking up some. She already cooked today, but you guys seen this recipe multiple times. It's bazela with a steak, so it's really good actually. It's like peas and carrots stew, right? Like beef stew with carrots or something like that.
Yeah, basically.
With peas and carrots, yeah. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys the final product. Actually, it is the final product. Let me just flip it. This is the final product. Look at Idris, guys. Let's put it in reverse. Come on, let's go.
Idris! You like that little smirk? You like it? Wow! Look, I was getting excited. Yeah.
Yeah. Go, dude! Hold on to the steering wheel! Hold on to the steering wheel!
Beep, 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 beep.
There you go! Whoa! What's up, dude? There you go, too fast. Whoa! Whoa, Idris, you're going fast, dude. Good thing you got that seatbelt on you. All right, so we haven't been in RH in how long, Jalila?
Too long.
Probably been 5 months. We haven't been stepped foot in this place. Oh my God.
Climbing on me.
Do you miss it, Jalila?
I do. I don't know. I'm just looking at everything. I came for one thing and I'm looking at everything.
What'd you come for though? Outdoor furniture, no?
Yeah.
We came for outdoor furniture and she's looking at.
Side tables.
Jalila, we came for one. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jalila? Get out of this section.
We don't have lamps in our house. We don't have chandelier either. Just getting ideas.
Chandelier?
Yeah.
Our, what do they call it? Our, wall, we can't put no chandeliers in our house, Jalila. Our ceilings are too low. It's true, though. Wait, even Idris even agrees with me, right, Baba? No. No chandeliers, right? You want Baba?
Idris.
What is that? Triceratops? He does not like it.
Dinosaur. It is not.
No, he does not like it. Alright guys, so we're at a different Target here and Jalila found all
Lip liner. I should try that.
and they have Ulta Beauty. That's actually never seen that at a Target before. It's pretty cool. Jalila, you like this Target? Alright, let's leave. I just turned off Miss Rachel. He's spazzing. Idris! 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 Hey, dude! He loves that toy. Lisa said, Idris is talking more and more each day. All blessings, handsome Prince Idris. You are correct. He does talk a lot now. We just don't understand what he is saying right now. But he says dada a lot. He said
Tata before mama.
yeah. He said tata before mama. He does say mom though. He said mom. He'll say mum like that sometimes, you know. Only when he needs something. And he actually, what else did he say? Oh, did he say bye too or no? Did he say bye earlier? I heard him say bye.
When?
In the car. They're in the car. All right. That's the words he said already. Please stop the good morning snap, family. I will never stop that. Marianne said, my daughter put locks in her cabinets. Actually, we ordered some cabinet locks. Actually, we went to Target today to find them. We couldn't find them. So we just ordered some cabinet locks off Amazon, and they should be coming in a few days. Alexandra said, you don't wash your rice? Question mark. We, in fact, do wash our rice. Jalila makes sure she washes it. How do you wash it, Jalila?
You let it soak in hot water.
You let it soak in hot water
30 minutes.
for 30 minutes.
And rinse it.
And then rinse it. I just didn't show that part because I just think that part is senseless. Like, right? I mean, you should be able to just know how to wash your rice. I mean, don't just assume we do wash our rice. Baby proof everything like yesterday. Hello, good luck. I have 2 toddlers. It's nice for the week. Honestly, you are right. We are baby proof in the whole house. We're covering the corners and everything. Trust me. We just need to get those cabinet locks now. Candace said butter is good for your brain and memory. Very important. Good butter.
I can't remember anything.
I'm not gonna lie, Jalila puts butter in all of our food, and I just forgot. I forgot what I ate yesterday. Please, could you ask Jalila if Idris was wheezing when he got RSV, and what did they give him? Jalila, what did they give him when he had RSV? I was out of the town, by the way, guys.
They gave him steroids.
They gave him steroids, and he was wheezing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was wheezing.